You could buy ice boxes, same as you bought refrigerators. Now, they were made by cabinet shops or metal shops or whatever. They would made of different things. But in most cases, they were double-walled or lined inside, double-walled in most cases. So you put the block in the top, and then whatever you wanted to keep cool was under, because your cool always went down. And then there would have to be a drain. From an ice box, there was always a drain. So down in the very bottom was a catching pan that caught the water, and then there was a little place for a hose. Now, in some cases, they would put this in a porch or some place where they could just drill a hole down through the floor and let this water go down right out into the basement or wherever it went. Yeah, it disappeared. The ice would be cut in the lake in the winter and hauled into the building, packed in sawdust. And then nothing happened because you didn't need refrigeration all winter. So you didn't start using ice until late in the spring before you needed it. And in between that, if early in the spring things started to warm up a little bit, you could always put things out in the ice house. And it was always cool out there. You'd have the melt. It would be melting, as it started to melt, it would still be cool. Anywhere in the building would be cool. So you could keep your milk and veggies and things like that. And you could keep meat a little longer. Coming electricity sort of diminished the need for ice. And these hard, cold days in the winter of cutting ice were not really relished by everyone. So the electric refrigerator took over that. But in a lot of cases, the ice house was still kept and still filled with ice because the power was unreliable. And a lot of people didn't believe in it.